V go off? Hey, I up it, then my heat go off. Bang. I heard he do that sneaky talk. I heard he was a sneaky dog. I up this fucking board, then I sneak it dog. Me, I take naps, see you a sleepy dog. Catch your ass in the back, shoot up your fifi dog. 2, 2, 3, and set your neck.
Hey guys, Nick Lucifero here. Welcome to the second episode of my cocktail series. Today we'll be making the smoked old fashioned, which is personally my favorite cocktail. Number one, it is the most popular cocktail in the world. Number two, it is the oldest cocktail in the world, so it is a classic for all of us. It is originally simple to make, so what we're going to start off with is a mixing glass. And you're gonna grab your choice of whiskey, whatever you like. You know I am a goddamn rye guy, like I said before. So I'm gonna stick it to rye. We're gonna do 2 ounces, so it's 1.5 to 2. Your second ingredient is gonna be simple syrup, which is just half part sugar, half part water, easily made at home. All you need for this is 1 teaspoon. You do not want to over-sweeten. Third ingredient is going to be our Angostura bitters, traditional. So these are just basically a neutral kind of alcohol infused with aromas, infused with herbs and spices. It does pack a powerful punch, so all you need is a couple dashes, that's it. It will add another dimension to your drink. 3 dashes. Next ingredient is more of a specialty one that I'm adding in for myself. This is Angostura orange bitters. It's going to add a whole nother kind of citrus flavor to it. Traditionally it's not used in the regular old fashioned, but this is my twist on the version. Same concept, 3 dashes. Okay. Now we're going to fill our mixing glass with ice. And all you want to do is just stir this for a couple seconds and let the drink chill down. We'll let this sit aside. Next thing you have to think about is your glassware here. Traditionally the rocks glass is used, which is awesome. But for me, I want to change it up a little bit. I'm going to be using an Icelandic glass. This glass is actually from Iceland. And the dimension it gives to the drink when it's inside of the glass is actually really cool, and you'll see why. So I'm going to be using this. Something that's really important for this drink, actually more important than other drinks, is your ice. So you don't want crushed ice. You don't want regular ice. You want 1 large ice cube in your glass. So for me, I am just going to use an ice spear, which is going to go right inside. And pour the liquid into the glass. And now we kind of want to think of our garnishes. So we're going to grab a fresh orange, use our peeler. Peel 1 nice long strand, and we're gonna get the white part towards us, and we're just literally, which is the pip, and we're literally just gonna squeeze all the citrus inside that glass. It's gonna give the taste and smell a very beautiful layer. Rim it around into your drink. I add a lemon, just because the orange is sweet, I wanna kinda add like an opposite effect to it and put a bit of sour to add more balance. So I'm gonna do 1 peel of lemon, same concept, pip towards us. Rim around the glass inside. And what you're left with right now is a regular old fashioned. This drink alone is amazing to taste, but I do want to take it 1 step further and I actually want to smoke this drink. So this is my favorite thing. It's kind of an awesome tool to use. This is our smoking gun. And what I want to do is actually just go right ahead and smoke the drink. And what I'm using inside the chamber is hickory wood chips. You can literally use whatever you want. You can use teas, you can use any sort of herbs, any sort of wood like apple or cherry. I love hickory because it literally reminds me of cottage bonfire. It does not take long to smoke this drink. As you can see, the dome cover is filling up instantly and a ton of smoke is going into here. Oh, I love that smell. As you can see, you want to let that just sit for a couple seconds and really let that infuse into the drink. And pretty much voila. You have yourself an old smoke